Hello, my Basic 7 LS. Today, we're going to look at Introduction to Computing. This is the first topic in Basic 7 that we will delve into. Let's see what we will learn after going through this topic. 1. Understand the basics. Students should be able to define what a computer is and explain its basic operation. 2. Identify components. Students should be able to identify and describe the function of a hardware and software components of a computer. 3. Categorize components. Students should be able to categorize computer components into input, processing, output and storage devices and provide examples. 4. Appreciate the role of computers. Students should understand the various uses, benefits, and potential effects of using computers in different aspects of life. Learners, let us look at the image on the screen. What do you think the definition of a computer will be?
According to the image on the screen, I will define a computer as a programmable device that can store, retrieve, and process data. That is, a computer takes in data, processes it using specific instructions, and then produce results.
That is wonderful. Now let's look at a component as well. A component of a computer refers to a basic physical element that is necessary for the computer to function. From the definition I gave on components of a computer, learners, look at the image on the screen and mention some components of a computer.
Monitor, system unit, mouse, keyboard.
The physical elements of a computer can be further categorized based on their functions. They are grouped into 4 main parts: inputs, processing, output, and storage. Let's explain each of them one by one. Now, the first part, input part. This is the part of the computer which sends instructions and commands into the computer. Example, mouse. Could anyone give us examples again?
Scanner, keyboard.
That is excellent. Moving on to processing. This is the part of the computer which converts the instructions and commands sent into the computer into meaningful forms. The computer user. Examples, central processing unit, CPU, graphic processing unit, GPU. Learners, what do you also think the output will be?
This is the part of the computer which gives out or shows the processed information out to the computer user. Example is monitor.
That is excellent. You can add additional example, scanner. Storage parts. This is the part of the computer which is mainly used to keep processed information for future use. Examples, hard disk drive, USB drive, and many more. Let's move on to computer hardware and software. Hardware. Computer hardware is the physical component of a computer system. Examples include central processing unit, USB drive. The software. A computer software is a program or set of instructions that tells a computer what to do. Example, Microsoft PowerPoint. Learners, From what you've learned, what do you think the uses of computer will be?
A computer is used for communication, for educational purpose, and for entertainment.
That is excellent. The following are some benefits of computers. 1. Increase efficiency and productivity. 2. Access to vast amount of information. 3. Improve communication and collaboration. And the last one, enhance creativity and innovation. Effects of using computers. Increase screen time leading to potential health issues like eye strain or posture problem. Privacy concerns related to data security and online tracking. Social issues like cyberbullying and digital addiction. To end the lesson, learners, what have you learned so far?
I learned that a computer is a programmable device that can store, retrieve, and process data. Some components are monitor, system unit, mouse, and keyboard.
You have done a good job. This shows you followed the lesson thoroughly.
To sum up, this lesson has provided students with a basic comprehension of computers. We have learned to describe a computer, recognize its essential components, and classify these components into inputs, processing, outputs, and storage devices. Moreover, we have developed an understanding of the significant role computers play in various aspects of life, including their uses, benefits, and potential impacts. This fundamental knowledge paves the way for further and more advanced studies in computing. We shall meet in the next lesson. Have a nice day. Goodbye, learners.